Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss about an option that automatically selects the appropriate account name for you when you're creating a purchase voucher, without needing to manually choose it each time. To enable this, open Purchase Voucher Configuration. Go to Other Settings 1, then click on Other Settings. A window to set default will appear. Click to select default party for credit bills. For example, you might have a supplier account that you regularly buy from, and with this feature enabled, the system will automatically pick that supplier's account for you. Users don't need to remember or search for the account each time a purchase voucher is created.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.